mixer. But let me get this up and running. Let me get the random ready for us real quick. And let me mute my computer so you stop hearing the Facebook notifications. All right. Why isn't this working? Hello. Well, we'll try it a different way then. Window capture. There we go. Boom. All right, so we got to do the dice one time. Let me go to our filler real quick so you guys can see the filler. Here's our filler right here. Top 4 teams, or is it 4, 3, 5? Let me see. Top 5. Top 5 get a team. We'll go ahead and put these in. That's what we're looking for. So we're gonna randomize the team names, but there's your teams. They're not the team names, but the spots. I'm gonna cut and paste this over to the randomizer real quick. Get this microphone out of my face. Nope. Why didn't you cut and paste, boy? There we go. Steven's at the top. Steven's at the bottom, or Rogelio. But we got to do the dice, so it's got to be 6 or higher. We'll roll the dice one time. Looking for anything 6 or higher. 6. 6 it is. 6 it is. All right, guys. 6 times on the names to find out the top 5 that'll get the team. Then I'm going to get Instagram rolling real quick. And then we'll start breaking. Here we go, guys. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Scott at the top. Xavier, Nick, and James. Yeah, I'm sorry, Michael. Steven, sorry, man. It's tough. That is tough. Let me, All right, so Scott got Philly. Then number 2 was Xavier. We said they get the Texans. Number 3 was Nick. You get the Chargers and the Seahawks. So I get lightheaded. And then number 5, James with the Raiders. Boom. Here's our teams, guys. There we go. There's all that right there. Should be able to see them from top to bottom. And nope, that's the one. There you go. Boom. Here's our 4 magic boxes right here. We'll open them all. Let me get the Instagram set up live for the people to watch it on there. Twitter should be good. Everything should be good. Chills. Chronicles. That's not how you spell Chronicles. Boom. All right, let me send this out to the group really quick. I think that's the one. Well, let me just tailor made. Taylor. Who else is on Instagram? Bobby. Bobby just got it. I think that's it, right? Or card pulling. All right, that's the one. That's the group. Everybody in the group's got it now. Cool, let's do it. We'll give them a minute to go get ready. And then while we're doing that, selfishly, look at this fire break in the back. All that is going to get posted tonight. Tonight it will go on the site. Try and break that thing tomorrow. See what we can do. Cool, boxes right in the middle. I think that should be. I think the setup for both of them should be good. All right, guys, we're gonna open all the packs, or we're gonna open all the boxes, get the packs out, then we'll open all the packs back to back to back to back. All cards ship for both this and the Luminance Elite Optic Break. All cards are gonna ship. Well, let's make it happen. I think we've given enough time. Oh, actually, zoom this real quick. No, I didn't do the. There's no randoms for the teams. It was just a filler. This is all PYT. I don't really see the comments on the restream. I'll try and check in on Facebook time to time. I see them on Instagram. His Insta is right here. We're a little tough on Facebook. All right, someone's exclamation pointing my name. What's up? One second. The fillers went. We did the randoms. We did the randoms, and then they were just in order from top to bottom. The randoms were in order from top to bottom. Eagles were the most expensive team, and I just did them by value. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Unfortunately, with Facebook Live, you can't go back and rewatch. Like, you can't pause the live, which is stupid, but it's all up there. We randomized the dice. Dice fell on 6. Randomized the name 6 times. And then the top team, or top name, which is Scott, got the Eagles. Second got the next team. Third got the next team. Fourth, then fifth. Because they got David Mills. The Chargers have Asante Samuel. There's no Herbert in these boxes. Yeah, the optic. Yeah, this is just draft year, Xavier. This is just rookies, brother. This is just college uniform rookies. There's no Herbert in here. Otherwise, yeah, for sure. Which is why even with only two 2020 products, the Chargers have a ton of value in the next break. But we're going to do the filler the exact same way on the next one. Does that make sense, though, Xavier? No, we haven't done the Luminance random yet. Nice one on the back for the Panthers. Yeah, no problem, Xavier. I get it. Yeah, Seth. Right after this, we're gonna jump right into optic. Everyone's all paid. Everyone's all good. Let me see if I can zoom this in a little bit for Instagram because that's a little zoomed out. There you go, guys. All right, we got Pat for the Steelers. Move this down a little bit too. Come on, man. Work with me, baby. Oh, too much. There we go. Perfect. Look at that. Pat for the Steelers. Jamar Chase. Score, old school. Greg Rousseau. First auto already. Anthony Schwartz. I was just talking about him. I should know where he went, but I'm drawing the blank right now. Little Mac Jones for the Patriots. Seth, it'll be on the same stream. Same stream. On YouTube, it'll be a different video. But Patriots, Mark. Nice hit, Mark. ETN. Good looking Chromes right there. Kyle Trask with the Spectra. And a Terrace Marshall for the Panthers. That's ETN on the back. We got a thick card this pack. We got Elijah Moore. Rondale Moore. Aziz. Jalen Waddle Prestige. Oh, a little fake one. A little fake thickie. Elijah Moore again for the Jets. For the Jets. Brandon. I said Brandon. Jalen Waddle. Devontae Smith Spectra. The receiver pack. ETN for the Jags. We got a Mac, but I'm going to say no big QBs, but I guess that's a pretty nice card on the back. I guess we got a big one. We got Mac. We got Devontae, Ian Book, throwback. Micah Parsons for the Cowboys. Ooh, Najee. Najee coming through again. Big patch. Encased. Beautiful card. No number. But nice hit right there for the Steelers. We got Mac Jones again for the Patriots. Mark. Basham. Caleb Farley Flux. And then the blue field level. Elijah Moore. Goes with the jersey right there. Jersey match. I would say team, but that's the other New York. Look at this auto. Top loaded 2. Eyes playing tricks on me. What's up, South Shore? Hoops Breaks. Whoa, what's up, Chris? How you doing, man? Oh, there he is. There he is on the back. All right, let's see what we got in front of him. We got Elijah Molden. Is it Molden? Chuba Hubbard Chronicles. Actual Chronicles. Devontae Smith throwback score. Kerry Vincent Jr. out of LSU. Score auto. Second score auto. I forgot to put the other auto up there. Then we got Javian Hawkins. Ooh, Trey Lance. Little red foil. Status. Numbered. Out of 149. That's it right there for the Niners, Quentin. Elijah Moore Field. For the Jets. Jets hitting again. And a T-Law Spectra. Nice, bro. That's a fire hit. I love Spectra. Thick card stock. Nice hit right there. Who's that? Is that Dave or is that Danny? Danny, nice hit, Danny. Then we got the team match Trey. 149. That's it. All right, next pack. Oh, Let me do the autos real quick. Do we have on that? We just one of them. Who did Kerry Vincent Jr. get drafted by? Anybody know? Top of the head? Say hell yes, Trevor. Is that you? Oh, are you saying hell yes with a Najee? Probably the Najee. All right, guys. So we go next pack. They put a lot of little fake deep cards in them, as they put it. Broncos got Vincent. Should know that. Zach Wilson, base Chronicles. Kyle Pitts, base score. Zach Wilson. Ooh, we're gonna have a Zach Wilson pack. Zach Wilson, BYU, old school Don Russ. Wop. Wop Faylor. Number 1. Got Chuba Hubbard status. Tutu. Little base XR. Woo, Zach Wilson flex. Nice hit for the Jets. Brandon. I said Brandon. They got a blue flex for Aziz Ajalari. Number 99. Come on. Little Zach. I like Spectra more, man, but these flux hit. I like the design, like the little negatives in there mixed in too. And get our Freelore. What's up, Joko Loco? Next pack, here we go, good luck, guys. We got Rondale Moore for the Cards. Terrace Marshall. Another Zach Wilson. Score this time. Ooh, Mac Jones Origins. You know what that means? Let's go out of 25. Mark's probably not even watching, man. Nice hit, Mark. Out of 25, lowest numbered big QB break we've had, at least for the Chronicles. We got Amon-Ra St. Brown. Kyle Pitts red out of 149. Nice hit right there. Carpool and Guru. Dylan Moses for the Jags, field level. And then Kadarius Toney for the G-Men. That Mac. Mac slaps, bro. That's a fire pack. Red Pitts, too. Fire pack. Couple Wilsons in there. Didn't you even see that? I don't think so. We'll put this over here for you, Insta. Sorry, Elijah, you got demoted. Here we go, next pack. ETN is hot. We got another Kyle Pitts, Don Russ. We got Terrace Marshall, Dylan Moses, Justin Fields, Chronicles, but the 145. Oh, no, I'm sorry, that's 149. It's just kind of fading. Chronicles 149 Fields. Nice numbered Fields right there for the Bears. Got Chuba Hubbard. And OSU's throwback unis. Najee for the Steelers. Seth Williams. Don't remember on the top of my head. Then we got an ETN for the Jags. Nice flex. Nice flex. What's up, light skin? This is not yours. Yours will be up in just a little bit, light skin. But stick around, man. Pulling some heat so far. I still haven't pulled a T-Law auto in a break just for myself in a score. Jamar Chase. We got Nico Collins. Jamar Chase. Foil? No. Kylan Hill, 149. Got Rondale Moore. Jamie Newman. Devontae Smith. And a Silver Spectra to Marion Terry. Good looking card. I sit right there for the Dolphins. We got Michael Carter. I think he's going to be a beast. Since these are all getting top loaded, let me move these over. We got Rondale Moore, Devontae Smith, wide receiver Ben Skarnek. 3 score autos, man. Let's get some more origins. We got Waddle. Ooh, nice field status. That's it, Taylor made. Javonte Williams, another guy that's going to be a beast. And then we got Jalen Waddle, field level select. Got a little tiny dimples in there. Almost halfway. Ooh, there's a nice T-Law again. I think that's a flux. We got the Prestige, Tyler Wallace, Seth Williams, Justin Fields, throwback score. Devontae Smith, number 99, blue foil score. We got Tutu Amon-Ra. Terrace Marshall. Ooh, silver. That's sexy. Silver Flux. T-Law. That's gorgeous. Go to the Jags. There you go, Danny. Put that one up in 1 second once I get some space. Don't glance in the bag. This is a fire box. Zach Wilson. Oh, we got some orange. Got Rondale Moore. Terrace Marshall. The orange. Kyle Trask. QB. Wow. Sick patch. That's a massive patch. Plates and patches. Patches and plates. And pates. We got Rashad Bateman for you. Rondale Moore. Larry Roundtree. And a Trask. Again with the dimples at the top. That's not me, man. All right, last pack, and then we're at the halfway mark. Some more Trask. We got Rashad Bateman. Got another auto in here. ETN base. Rashad Bateman. Jabril Cox. Another score auto. Score autos are pretty popular in this break. Chuba Hubbard. Justin Fields, purple. That's got to be numbered, right? To 49. Nice hit right there for the Bears. Impeccable or illusions. 49. Number 3. Yeah, number 3 out of 49. Nice hit. Another field level Waddle. And then a Kyle Trask Spectra. You just sold 149? There you go. Nice, man. 149 for 90. At least get double. Should at least get double for the 49. Red, yeah. Micah Parsons. Let's go. Another stand. No, all right. Well, Pitts, we enjoyed your stay. See you again, bro. Here we go, guys. Second half. QB Mac Jones on the back. We got Rondale Moore. Devontae Smith. We got Orange. Come on, baby. Kyle Trask again. Another patch. This one's encased. Go to Nick. Nice hit, Nick. 2 big old patches for you. Illusions Pat. Terrace Marshall Jr. Elijah Moore for the Jets. And the Mac Jones Flux. Beautiful card. We got 11 more packs. Jamar Chase. Greg Rousseau. Loving Trask, man. We got Felton. Auto, rated rookie. Darren Hall. Don Russ, rated rookie. Darren Hall. I shouldn't know who that's going to, but his auto looks like ham. Kyle Trask. Justin Fields XR, very nice. Rashad Bateman select field level. And Terrace Marshall Spectra. Got a little something right there. Panthers. Terrace Marshall's been hot in this case. Someone tell me where Darren Hall got picked. Or drafted. Who drafted him? We need another QB auto, man. There's a Wilson Flux. I think we got them all. Rondale Moore, Jamin Hawkins, Terrace Marshall, Jamar Chase, Zach Wilson Illusions, Greg Rousseau, Recon, Kyle Pitts, Rated Rookie Optic, Silver too, let's go. Another silver. We got the number 1 and number 2 picks, Silver Flux. Fire. Fire, fire, fire. Let's go. We got another one. Mac Jones. UFA. Devontae Smith. Pat. Jamar Chase. We got Puka Williams. Auto. Another score auto, man. Change it up. Got Tutu Atwell, Zach Wilson XR, Elijah Moore, Raider rookie. No silver this time, but still Flux, nice card. I think that's the second Mac Jones Flux. I believe that's the case. We got, what, like 9 more packs, I think? Kyle wants Puka. Greg Rousseau. Felton, Rondale Moore, Jamin Hawkins, Devontae Smith. We got Caleb Farley, Rashad Bateman, field level select again for you. Rashad Bateman, silver optic, rated rookie, nice. Another Pitts on the back. We got Marshall. Chase. Oh my gosh. Come on, baby. Wilson. Damn, I saw the orange. Greg Rousseau. Origins. Nice hit. 149. Little red. Almost looks like a color match on that foil. We got Javonte Williams. Chris Evans. I'm not disappointed for you, Patrick, but I thought we might have had a T-Law Origins to go with the Mac Jones. And I was about to scream. Terrace Marshall and a Kyle Pitts, rated rookie. I mean, they should, right? Like, we're not. This product didn't come out too far after the draft. I feel like they should have that, but that's just me. That's just me. Kyle Pitts, old school. Zach Wilson, Don Russ. Rondale Moore. Got another auto. Ian Book, QB. Just got a QB auto. Score. Or I'm sorry, Don Russ. Felt like score. T-Law. Javonte Williams. Zach Wilson, Flux. Base this time. And Dylan Moses, field level. autos are we due? Anybody keeping count? There's 4 autos / patches per box. So we should have 16 total. I don't feel like we're at 16. We've got 3 patches. I think we got a few autos left. Marshall Jr., Zach Wilson, Kyle Pitts. It's a nice Marshall right there. Rashad Bateman. Bateman's hot this break. Tylan Wallace. Kadarius Toney, G-Men showing up. And then a Seth Williams rated rookie optic. Another one. Woo, that one's got some serial number on it too. We got Trey Lance. Dylan Moses. Bateman. Najee with the plate. Again, another encased. Same exact card. I shit you not. I'll show you in a second. Another encased Najee. We got Kenneth Gainwell. Bateman. ETN for the Jags. And right behind him, another Jag. Another Flux. T-Law. Number to 149. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I feel like I don't want them both up there, so even though that's silver, I'm just gonna put the red up there for him. Oh, for sure. Pretty soon this will come out. You'll see the rookie be like his freshman year. Zach Wilson, Rondale Moore, Kyle Pitts, Zach Wilson again. You already see Panini having the NIL rights. Marshall, Mac Jones encased. Boom, let's go. Mac Jones having a break. Mark, can't wait to watch the replay, man. We got Illusion Zach, Greg Rousseau, Javonte Williams Flux, and a Jalen Waddle red Flux to go with the T-Law. This would have been a crazy box, even by itself. Red Flux, going to Miami. Going to TaylorMade. Nice hit, TaylorMade. You got that and the Fields. Sheesh. Have a break. Have a break, TaylorMade. We got 2 packs left. I think we got at least 1 auto in here. I think we got 1. We got Marshall. Chase. Come on, orange. Got Zach Wilson. Chronicles. Kyle Pitts. Decent. Kyle Trask. Haven't seen him in a little bit, but he's back. He was hot earlier. He was hot. Justin Fields XR. T-Law Spectra again. For Danny. Nice hit, Danny. Then Devonta Smith. Optic rated rookie. Let's go. Last pack mojo. Give us a Lance or a Fields or a Lawrence auto. Elijah Moore field level on the back is not a bad start preview. Felton. We got a redemption. Who's a redemption? Rondale Moore. Javian Hawkins. We'll do that last. Pat Fryermuth. Terrace Marshall. We got Hokie. Caleb Farley. The Moore. And then we got our redemption. Redemption is going to football. Who would have thought? Chronicles draft picks. Score. Number 19, Elijah Moore. Nice way to end it. Nice way to end it for Brandon. Nice hit, Brandon. Beautiful, man. If you want to skip the process and get this rolling, since it might take 14 years to get a redemption, it might be worth the wait, or I'll just send you the code, man. Let me know what you want to do. But let's roll through some of the highlights again real quick, and then we'll go on to the 6-box Optic Luminance Elite mixer. Pumped about that. The half case of Donruss clearly only has 6 or 7 teams left. If you guys want to jump in that, let me know. But here's a recap. Waddle 149, T-Law silver, Flux, Ian Books, Donruss. Sorry, I almost said score. Rousseau 149 auto. Bateman silver rated rookie. Puka score. Zach Wilson silver, Flux. Darren Hall auto. Kyle Pitts number to 149. We had Jabril Cox, Skornik, Fields to 149, Chronicles, Phylor, Zach Wilson base Flux, Aziz, what's blue again? 99. 99 on the blue. Then we got Schwartz, Vincent Jr., Trask, 149 on the status. T-Law Spectra, I mean, there's tons of fire. Just to prove a point, the Flux, the T-Law, like all of these are gonna get sleeve and top loaded for you. But that was how fire the break was, man. Then the ultimate in the background is Elijah Moore Select Field Level Blue 99. T-Law Red Flux 149. Fields Purple Illusions 49. Matt Jones to 25 for Mark, who's in the car driving at the moment. I saw the DM, man. Congratulations. I don't know if you saw it or heard, but enjoy the replay, bro. I'm going to turn off the mic. I'm going to get this set up for my wife. I'm going to get the boxes set up for the next break. I'm going to tag everybody in the break, send them the link. So if you're in the next one, stick around. Don't go anywhere or go grab something to drink. Do whatever you want, but we'll be going again in about, let's say 10 minutes. So 8:55 Central Time is about the time to expect the next break. Random's going first for the filler. I'll put that up right now so you guys can see it. There you go. There it is. Nope, no, I wanted. There it is. I'll put the teams up in 1 second. Let me move these cards over. Instagram, appreciate you guys jumping in, watching. Everybody that's tuned in. Fire Chronicles break. Tune in next. I'm going to stop the video while I put all this away since I can't mute it and do all that stuff. I'm going to grab the 2 boxes of Luminance, 2 boxes of Elite, and then the 2 hybrid Optic. We're going to see what's in those bad boys too. But I'll see you guys in just 1 minute.